What's one skincare product you can't live without? If you're asking me, masks. Want to know my secret tips on how to make your mask work 10 times better? Keep watching. Chiu tips. Today I've teamed up with Aveeno featuring their new Oat Mask collection to share my best masking tips and why oats should definitely be a part of your skincare routine. Are you guys ready? Let's get masking. Cleansing is key when it comes to making the most out of your masks. Here I'm going to just gently wet the face and then use my go-to gel cleanser. Gel cleansers are great for this because it foams and it really helps detoxify, get rid of the makeup, dirt, and oil, and leaves the skin glowing and soft, which is the perfect canvas for my next step. Once that's done, just rinse and pat dry. Now I'm going to steam the face, more specifically the pores, and add a few drops of eucalyptus oil into my face steamer. Breathe in and out, and now the pores are open. Next, we're going to exfoliate with a hot towel. This is a trick I learned from makeup artists for my lips, but I thought this would be great for the face as well. Just fold up a hot towel and wipe it all over the face for gentle exfoliation. Now here's the fun part. Time to multi-mask. I love these new oat masks from Aveeno. They're made with prebiotic oat and superseed extracts that really pamper, hydrate, and nourish the skin. Taking my handy face mask brush, I'll be using the oat mask with Moringa seed extract on the forehead and T-zone only. This mask helps detoxify and remove impurities in areas that get oilier or tend to break out. That's why this mask is perfect for my T-zone, since I get most of my breakouts around this area. Next up, I'll be using the oat mask with pumpkin seed extract to help soothe, moisturize, and rebalance areas like the cheeks and under the eyes. Sometimes these areas on my face get a little red, so having the prebiotic oat and feverfew extract helps soothe the skin. These masks are also paraben and phthalate-free, which is a huge bonus. And to finish off my multi-masking, I'll be applying the oat mask with pomegranate seed extract to get that glow around my chin and jawbone area. This mask helps turn the skin's brightness up a notch, which I'm always striving for. You can use them up to 2 to 3 times a week, and of course there's a mask for every need, whether it's to detox, soothe, or glow. They're now available at Walmart if you want to try them for yourself. One of the best ways to make the most out of your masks is not to forget the neck. I know it says face mask, but really the neck is also very important. The mask I'm using here is the pumpkin seed extract to help soothe and moisturize. I leave the masks on for about 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse with warm water. I can instantly feel a difference in the skin. It's soft, smooth, and glowing. My best test is just running my finger over clean skin to feel the texture, and I'm loving the results. Now I'm just going to rinse everything off and pat dry. One of the best tips I can give you after a masking session is doing an ice facial. This helps close the pores and refreshes the skin. After this, I just leave the skin to dry for at least an hour. I don't put anything on, and right before bed, I'll put just serum on the skin. I like serum because it's lightweight, it's not too heavy, and your skin can still breathe, which is important after you mask. And of course, don't forget the neck. Now the skin is looking great, smooth, soft, and glowing. And now we're done.